Hey guys! Everyone sooner or later start using Cinewhoops for the cinematic footage. However, we are experiencing huge noise and sometimes flying time we would like to extend. Today we are going to talk about the props for the Cinewhoops. Test all those props. Stay with us if you This is all the props I found in the stores that I can order it pretty quick. Some of them is Gemfan, original Nazgul props, racing props. See how they go into. It will be actually 3 tests I would like to do. First test is noise test. I'm going to put noise recorder 1 meter out of the drone, leave the drones just a bit and record that noise level for the every props which is here, one by one. Second test will be the hovering test. We're going to use exactly the same battery. This battery brand new. It will be fully charged for the every set of these props. See how long this drone can stay flying. We're going to do the speed test as well. This drone actually is 6S build. However, we're going to use the same battery and we're doing the comparison between the props on the same build. Speed test, roll test, flip test. I will try to make this video as short and as informative as possible.
What a fantastic sunny day today! Let's fly all 8 props.
Standard Bumblebee 3-blade props. Gemfan Ducted 75 3 blades. Gemfan Ducted 76 5 blades. Azure Power racing props, 3 blades. HQProp Cinewhoop3-GR-PC, 3 blades. Yes. HQProp Cinewhoop75-GR, 3 blades. HQProp Duct 75, 6 blades. HQProp Duct 76, 8 blades. Let's do the quick review of the tests done. Noise test. It is pretty much same level for all those props of the noise we have according to the tests done. Regarding of the sound coming from the props, it is obviously different. Next test was hovering test. HQProp 6 blades did just 4.5 minutes. I believe it was not so accurate test, and I believe these props can do 5 minutes anyway. But rest of the props, for example this one done the lowest time, it is 5 minutes. And winner for hovering test was these two props. Actually I like them. After each hovering test I done flips and rolls. All those props done this job pretty good. And last test was speed test. Speed test actually was an interesting test. As you saw the results, the quickest props, probably those two, they can reach nearly 100 km/h. Again, I was using 6S battery on the 6S build. If you install 6S battery, it will be even quicker. Speed is not key factor for Cinewhoop, however it helps to choose best props. When you're choosing the props, choose for your needs. Depends on what you're doing. You need to fight with the wind, or it is indoor cinematic footage. Probably you will be happy with some of the other shape of the props. Outside of the all tests presented of this video, I also fly few packs on the each props. Personally for me, but again this is just personal opinion, I would choose next props with the priority. First one will go 8 blades HQProp. Next one, I think iFlight guys did pretty good job with these props and made. And these props I believe will work good for the Bumblebee shape when you have plenty of duct around and heavy frame. For the ProTech 35 for example, it will be completely different results. Next prop I will choose in Gemfan. These two props I don't like to use on Bumblebee. I will put them aside definitely. As much as ducted Gemfan, for fun for me will be HQProp 6 blade. Nazgul power. These propellers make less noise in my opinion, I think because of they have unique shape. 8 blades and iFlight, probably the best one I'm choosing. Gemfan 65 will work well with the less wind or indoor or when you're flying through the forest. Stay connected guys, subscribe, comment, and see you next time.